everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of joining me, you are officially welcome. This channel is all about product recommendations and relationship talk. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, and to my existing subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate it. In today's video, I'm really going to show you how to make your buttocks to be a bit bigger, like to grow it, to make it big, for those of us who like big bum. So watch this video to the end, because I'm really going to be practical in this video. I'm going to show you the natural products to add together to grow a bigger butt naturally in the comfort of your home. The first product I have here is Fennel Seed, and I've grinded it. I want to show you how this is a grinded version of Fennel Seed, and this is how it looks like when it's not grinded. You can see a lot of persons are going to ask me where to get this product. Don't worry, if you want to know where to get this product, just drop a comment on my comment section, and I'm really going to direct you on how to get them. And then the next product I have here is the Fenugreek Seed. Okay, that's Fenugreek Seed, and that's how it looks like when it's on seed version. You can see it. Then I've grinded it as well. I'm trying to be careful so that this doesn't fall out. And then that's the grinded version of the Fenugreek Seed. Then the next oil I have with me here is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is really important to use it because it's going to make other products to absorb into your skin very fast. Like it nourishes, if the skin is a bit dry, it makes it to be nourished and make every product to kind of absorb it really fast. And the next oil I have here with me is extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, this is extra virgin olive oil. You can get any olive oil of your choice, but make sure it's just extra virgin. So the next oil I have with me is fish oil. Fish oil is very essential when we're talking about butt enlargement. So you have all heard that I mentioned 5 products here, which is Fenugreek Seed, Fennel Seed, fish oil, sweet almond oil, extra virgin oil. Alright, so girls, I'm going to add all this together to produce my butt enlargement oil. Sorry, I'm just going to mix it up in my little cup here. Alright, it's just like a particle. You can mix it in any container so that you can always use it to massage your butt every time, every morning and night. I'm sure you're going to see a lot of results. The first seed I'm adding here is my Fenugreek Seed. That's how Fenugreek Seed looks like, okay, which is the raw version of it. And then the next one I'm going to add here, oh my goodness, is my Fennel Seed. Fennel Seed is a bit greenish in color. Girls, a lot of persons are also going to tell you to add apple seed. I didn't get apple seed because I just did not have it, but these ones I have here works wonders. But if you're opportune to say apple seed, you can get it. And then I'm just going to add my, okay, let me just drop this one here. And then I'm just going to add my extra virgin olive oil. There's it, extra virgin olive oil. Sorry, I'm not going to pour much because this is just like a practical video. And then I am going to add my fish oil. I'm going to add my fish oil. So it's a bit tight. That's fish oil. You see that? I'm just going to add because it's a bit expensive, you know that. And then sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil. Oh my god. So this really works like magic. You can use it as well for your books, but this video is really targeting the bomb bulb alone. So look at it. Can you see how it's looking like? There's a like mix it very well. Mix it very well. I'm going to show you again. So use this to massage your butt every morning. Use it to massage. Just make this as your buttocks cream. When you finish rubbing your normal cream, use this one to massage your buttocks every day. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't also forget to turn on the notification bell so that you always know whenever I add a new video. I love you guys. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. If you have a comment or questions, drop it in the comment section and I'll be glad to attend to you guys. Bye.